Okay guys, so in this lecture we'll talk about exceptions in Python, and exceptions in Python are just an alternative way to handle errors. So in other words, it's just a way to handle errors with style, and we use this the try/except statement to deal with errors. So instead of default errors that people might not understand when you're writing programs, you get to write your own exceptions or raise your own exceptions when Python comes across an error in a program. And so the syntax for the try is that you basically put your whole program. You can put your whole program into this try method, and then in the except method you can put the error name. So based on what error can pop up in this program, you write that error name over here, and then you get to decide what to let the user know so that the user can avoid that error when running the program. So here's an example. I'll show you. So I posted a few examples on Canvas, and I'll go through those in a bit. But this is one of the examples I posted. So this is basically, so you have the try statement over here, and then you're basically asking the user to enter the number of dependents. It's just giving the user the tax credits that the user will get. So you can see that you have the basically the part of the program that can raise error under the try statement, and then the error that can can pop up in this case is the value error, because if the user does not enter a number and let's say enters a letter, then that's going to be a value error. So obviously the user, if let's say you're writing tax return program for users, obviously they don't know Python, so they won't understand what value error is. So you want to basically write in plain English what you want the user to do, and this is where you do that, right? And then you can also set variables to particular values in this under the exception part. So now when you're done with the try and except statement, you can then go ahead and calculate the tax credit. Just multiply the number of dependents by 1,000, and then you print out the tax credit. So when you run the program, and let's say someone enters number of dependents 2, they get a tax credit of 2,000. Right. So what if the user does not enter? So let's say you enter something random like a letter or a character, as any other character. So you get that statement printed out, right? And then the tax credit is 0. Okay. So again, this is Python handles errors also, but this is now Python gives you the control of errors, and you're basically elegantly controlling errors in Python in this way. So okay, let's stop over here. I'll just start a new video with a program that I want you to see.